Good morning guys, it's Wednesday today and what I'm doing right now is nag-set up ko og laboratory exercise para sa ko ang basic programming C programming language nga subject. So as you can see, nag-set up ko sa Moodle. Daot ang plastic ay mag-agas ang tubig. Manguha tag mangga. Kulang na lang nato kuhit. Sa sunod na pagdala mo kuhit ha. Dagko na king mangga oh. Oh, lami king mangga oh.
The community, drivers and commuters, and also for the traffic enforcers. Number 2, what are the different causes of traffic incidences and violation? Number 3, what are the existing model of the previous strategies of the government? And lastly, what are the different technologies being used to solve these problems?
The area of the study is located along the main road or the national highways of Iligan City. And as you can see, if we zoom out the administrative map of Iligan City, Ross Avenue is part of the main road in Iligan City. So, as based on our preliminary investigation, a lot of traffic violations occurs in this area.
Sa scope and limitation, your system would detect violation.
So later, sa scope and limitation of the study, you mentioned here that your device will be put up along Rojas Avenue.
Yes.
Since you have gathered information from the traffic management office. So I hope in the future, di ba, magbuhat naman din sa inyong paper na po, na kay data to support this one.
Goal man siya. Diba? But always remember, we are using deductive here.
So deductive today.
You have a general
Deductive.
objectives. Your objectives is to reduce the accidents, is to reduce the death by addressing the cause of that, which is the violation incidents. Diba? You know? And so therefore, you want to design, by designing and developing a system. Sa ito yung alam sa mga system. Mga ito sa general objectives. And then period.
With this, I would like to thank you for dedicating my time to many reciprocity, walking, students. So, can do this.
Adja.
So prepare for the final defense.
Magpalit tag snack din.
Magpalit tag snack kay Cobra. Magpalit na
Wait, come on guys. Come on.
Mangita no may chicks. Doon ko man tanong, di ba no mangita bae? Basi daw siya. Palit siya, yara siya pupunta kung mangita may bae.
Sige, dati. Oh, yan ako yung lagi na siya lagi.
Ito
Excited ako.
Wala pa ganyan may kakitagbain. Iuwan na siya. Excited.
Dili
Ready?
na ko muban pero mangita magubay.
Oo, tanaw.
Ready? Oh,
Babae ang gusto. Ingon, ana. Ay, ang gusto ni Ading kanira. Mga bae.
Sumbagay pa ni aling-aling sa CR.
Kaya ito, Ding. Sokol ba, Ding? Alam mo, sokol. Ding. Musokol, Ding. Ding. Ah, wala. Tala, wait. Wala. Hindi mo sokol. Ano, grabe yung mga bright kayo. Grabe yung mga bright kayo. Kani siya kay gasol. Kani sila kay wala. Sige, palit na to, Jean.
Kani.
Kwarta. Nescafe 3-in-1.
Milo.
Oh, Milo. Oh, bread pan.
Tay palit pag muna ni brown and creamy o bread pan na cream. Nescafe brown and creamy and bread. Di bread na lang.
Tama
Wala
yun
naman
yung
green.
question kanina. Wala ninyo.
Dawa. Tama na. Unsa pay wala inyo te? Ay pila ni. Sige di ka sa igo ang kwarta.
O, piso na lang daw na.
Piso na lang ni. Di ko bisin ni.
Ama ninyong ipampalit ba? Pakita, dali.
Kini ako ha.
Piso na lang daw yung nilpon.
Pila mahal.
Oh, dingo. Grabe kayo.
Kaya din nagkauna. Wapag ito nakaslice.
Ang others man, Ding. Ang laylay man yung gipalit, Ding.
Wala yung bahay, yun siya.
Zinda.
Wala ko yung sinsilyo. 1,000 akong kwarta. Sorry, B.
Okay, 1 million.
1 million na.
1 million.
Mura lagi ikaw may minion.
Nanaway.
Yan, sumbagay ta. Sumbagay ta.
Oh, sabagay, dali. Phone akong kwan. Yabi CR, dali. Hello guys, natandari karon sa 4th floor sa COE building. So, check na to karon hanggang bagong elevator at sa layan to. Sakay. Undot kayo. So, mo nilang bagong elevator. Punta pa lang sa ground floor. First floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, and fifth floor. Tapos may elevator ticket. And yung kikibang sulat. Okay guys, that's it. Nanata ka sa ground floor. And